Animals of all sizes, big and small, fat and thin, tall and short, were all marching towards the magical farm. This is the magical farm. A place where animals dreamt of chasing butterflies, driving around in the tractor, having a bath in the clean pond, or just simply relaxing on the green grass, doing nothing. These animals had walked miles to reach the gate of the farm. At the gate, they were greeted by a man. The lion roared and asked him, "Who are you?" The man said, "I am Sam, and I take care of this farm." "Let me in," said the lion. "No," said Uncle Sam. "I am scared of you. You will eat me up." It was Hippo's turn now. He said, "Let me in." "So sorry," said Uncle Sam. "You are way too lazy for me." The tortoise was getting very irritated. "Can I come in, please?" asked the tortoise. "Sorry," said Uncle Sam again. "You have short limbs. You won't be able to help me." This magical farm is open to animals who are happy and friendly. I will provide them with good food and warm shelter. In return, they have to help me with my farm work and also give me their produce. Few other animals who were waiting outside to enter the farm heard this. They were not lazy animals. They all decided to work for Uncle Sam. The animals knew that they will be cared for. Uncle Sam was very happy. He opened the gates of the farm for them. The horse neighed and said, "You can ride on my back, and I will also help you carry the load from one place to another." Said the cow, "I will give you milk." Said the pig, "I will keep your farm clean." Said the sheep, "I will give you wool." "I will give you milk too," said the goat. "We will give you eggs," said the hen and the duck together. Uncle Sam was mighty pleased with these animals. He decided to keep them at the magical farm and call them the farm animals.
Ho, ho, ho!